Hi guys! So, kasama ko today si Mara. Mag-hi ka, Ma.
Hello.
So, ang main concern niya talaga is yung melasma ever since. Genetic kasi yan and also influenced by the sun, no? Pagka overexposed sa sun, walang sunscreen. So anyway, marami na kaming ginawa, of course, no? So, syempre, skincare, marami na rin procedures, no? Sobrang nag-improve na siya, pero syempre, may improve pa yan. So today, introduce natin yung bago nating procedure, si KBK Snow. Injectable siya, so si Mama may meeting siya tomorrow, so hindi siya pwedeng magbalat like the KBK Glow Protocol. So mag-i-inject na lang ako ng KBK Snow sa kanya. So anong laman yan, Doc? It has hyaluronic acid, no, para mag-plump and hydrate yung skin niya ng onte. Meron siyang lightening ingredients. It has Arbutin, niacinamide, and glutathione. So, tatlong pampaputi. Alam niyo naman, when we talk about lightening or brightening the skin, kailangan multiple ingredients para mas effective. It also has amino acids para mas ma-repair yung skin. Kapag na-repair yung skin natin, mas gumagana siya, mas nagpa-plump. It also has oligopeptide 24. So, yung ingredient na yan, antioxidant yan, to protect the skin and also to enhance the skin, no, para mas mag-brighten siya. With this product, we have direct whitening effect gamit ng niacinamide, glutathione, and Arbutin. Then, meron din tayong indirect effect with the hyaluronic acid, amino acid, and peptides. So, we can combine this with the Glow Protocol na gustong-gusto ng patients namin for melasma, which is chemical peel with PRP microneedling. Then, we can inject the KBK Snow after or pwede siyang on its own. So, today, since si Mama nga hindi pwedeng may downtime, on its own natin gagawin. Start na ako sa marking. So, sobrang bongga ng Luhylus, no? Dami niyang laman, no? It has hyaluronic acid, it has Arbutin, glutathione, niacinamide, it even has peptides, no? So, talagang bonggang-bongga siya. If you have any sort of pigmentation, pwede rin siya i-inject sa kilikili, sa batok, no? So, sa body parts, anywhere na maipit. Pwede rin siya isabay sa Glow Protocol. So, papakita ko yung results ni Mama after 2 weeks.